Second prize, Saravana Priyan. Third prize, Rajivan. Girls category running race, first prize, Ashwita. Second prize, Kugashri. Third prize, Saumya Verma. Obstacle race, first prize, Yashwant. Second prize, Nidisha Shri. Third prize, Akshaya. Frog jump race, first prize goes to Claudius Josh. Second prize, Ritin Stephen. Third prize, Divyan. I request all the parents to give a big round of applause for the prize winners. LKG B section, running race, Ritvik, first prize. Second prize goes to Sanjeev Rohan. Third prize goes to Harshavardhan. Running race girls category, first prize Swastika. Second prize goes to Kanishka. Third prize goes to Purvita. Obstacle race, first prize Gautam. Second prize goes to Ilamugilan. Third prize goes to Kaushik Saitej. Frog jump race, first prize goes to Niranjan. Second prize goes to Adya. Third prize goes to Diksha. LKG C section, running race, boys category, first prize goes to Shashanath Sai Ganesh. Second prize goes to Vishnu Sharan. Third prize goes to Yuva Varman. Running race girls category, first prize goes to Akshaya. Second prize goes to Harini. Third prize goes to Hashita Sri. Obstacle race, first prize goes to Madhav. Second prize goes to Sai Srinika. Third prize goes to Sai Ritish. Frog jump race, first prize Titviketu. Second prize Hanish. And third prize Mohammad Zaidin. LKG D section, running race, Pugalarasu, Arya, Monesh. From here for a second. Running race, girls category, Kartika, Srinika Sai. Obstacle race, Benita Evelyn, Muzaif Ali and Ratish. Frog jump race, Sarvashai Kumasahu, Kajanya and Pratika. E section, running race, boys category. First prize Sudarshan, second prize Kalkin and third prize Man 11. Girls category, first prize Ishani, second prize Uma Mageshwari and third prize Jerusha Berlin. Obstacle race, first prize Robin Jeffrey, second prize Yogesh and third prize Yogesh Jaikar. Frog jump race, first prize Pranit, second prize Vishweshwaran and third prize Lakshita. F section, running race, boys category, first prize Dakshit, second prize Udaya Balan and third prize Adesh. Running race, girls category, Bhaktasaru first prize, Aradhana second prize and Zoya third prize. Obstacle race, first prize Alia, second prize Harshan and third prize Kritik. Frog jump race, first prize Danny Anton, second prize Nihit and third prize Gokul. LKG G section, running race, boys category, Abhishek first prize, B1 second prize and Shyam Charan third prize. Girls category, first prize goes to Sai Tanshika. Obstacle race, first prize goes to Hari Karan, second prize goes to Mithin, and third prize goes to Harini. Frog jump race, first prize goes to Karthik, second prize Tanshika, and third prize Darshana. LKG H section, running race, boys category, first prize Yugan, second prize Dheeraj, and third prize Vijesh Bala. Running race girls category, first prize Saindavi, second prize Ritika, and third prize Sandria. Obstacle race, first prize Sakshika, second prize Ajay Rizwin, and third prize Sanjana. Frog jump race, frog jump race, first prize Harshan, second prize Karunya, and third prize Kirshita. LKG I section, running race boys category, first prize Sarvesh, second prize Navaneet, and third prize Mithun Karthik. Running race girls category, first prize goes to Vinolia, second prize goes to Shamini, and third prize goes to Litika. Obstacle race, first prize goes to Yaravan, second prize goes to Desiha, and third prize goes to Devadarshan. Frog jump race, first prize goes to Sanjeev, second prize goes to Janavi, and third prize goes to Sanjit. LKG J section, running race, boys category, first prize goes to Pranit Aruran, second prize goes to Shashwat, and third prize goes to Danvin. Running race girls category, first prize goes to Harini Shri, second prize goes to Rutvi, and third prize goes to Krishika. Obstacle race. Second prize goes to Vishnu Prabhakar and third prize goes to Itanta Karmakar. Frog jump race. First prize goes to Sai Rakshan, second prize goes to Nishantan, and third prize goes to Joshna Shri. Sir, this boy one gold medal and one silver medal. Yes, sir. LKG K section. Niranjan has won first prize in running race and second prize in frog jump race. Niranjan, first and second. Hari Ramakrishnan, second prize in running race. Jitin Ram, third prize in running race. Dishana, two first gold medal. Dishana, two gold medal. Girls category, Dishana has won first prize in running race and obstacle race. Sri Lakshana has won second prize. No third prize, sir. No third prize. Rohit, second prize in obstacle race. Saubarnika, third prize in obstacle race. Frog jump race. First prize goes to Darshan. Third prize goes to Kritik. LKG L section, running race, boys category. First prize goes to Pranav. Second prize goes to Harvishnath. And third prize goes to Rahul Sanjit. Running race girls category. First prize goes to Prajita. Second prize goes to Mirunalini. And third prize goes to Anisha. Obstacle race. First prize goes to Ashwant Kalam. Second prize goes to Giftina Grace. And third prize goes to Santosh. Frog jump race. First prize goes to Vaishnavi. Second prize goes to Mahati. And third prize goes to Tamil Vendan. Thank you.